Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Today I'm going to be showing you a new convenience feature I added for those of you who want your notation to be larger than the default. Most of the time people want things small to get as many tunes on a page as possible, but some people have asked for the ability to make things larger. So I've provided a helper method to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up, let's say 12 jigs here. And this is the default rendering size that you would normally get. If you go to the advanced controls, there's a new item, Inject Large Notation Headers. And what this does is it adds some code to every tune that will essentially turn off the automatic width correction system and allow you to format things a little bit narrower and therefore a little bit taller. So the default is 560. I'm going to just say 450 for these things. This is going to make everything narrower and taller. Click Inject All Tunes. And you can see now the notation here has gotten quite a bit, I would say, thicker and taller, as I would describe it. And so this might be a case where you're printing out a set list or something for a gig, you're in low light conditions, you're someone like me who has to wear reading glasses, that sort of thing. It might be very useful. And of course, when you print this out, it'll reflect the larger and taller tablature. So we'll go ahead and do that. Hit Export PDF. And you can see now that we get some fairly large notation in the resulting PDF file. Additionally, you can edit these values after the fact. So for example, with Banished Misfortune here, we could change that 450 to, let's say, we'll put it back to the default 560. You can see this is what it looked like before, and we'll change it to, let's say, 475 or 450. Because this does turn off the automatic formatting system in ABC.js, there may be cases where you will have to manually adjust the spacing or perhaps the ABC itself. For example, I'll go ahead and clear this. We'll go ahead and add, let's say, coolies. Here's the default, and we'll do the same thing. We'll inject the large notation headers in at 450. And you can see the formatting is a bit off here. See, in this case, we get a ragged right edge. And for this sort of thing, you're going to need to probably edit the ABC itself. So for example, by moving the first and second endings to a new line, and then everything will line up correctly. So I hope this is a useful, helpful feature for those of you who have requested the ability to get larger notation. In some cases, as I've shown you, you may need to make minor adjustments to your actual ABC to get things to line up correctly, but by having those headers injected, it does a lot of the work for you.